And here we are. We are today at 854 Shotwell. And this beautiful Victorian comes over to the market with a rental tag of $4,500. So we see hardwood floors, 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, central heat. So we see closet, and then the second bedroom right here with this closet. It also has a parking spot, which is right here in between that car and this other car. So you have a nice spot. This is a really cute, Pinterest street, Shotwell, here in San Francisco. So we see big updated kitchen, refrigerator, dishwasher, stove. So high ceilings, and we move into laundry area. So we see right there. Then updated bathroom with bidet and updated sink, and we move into bedroom number 3. So to see this unit, all what you need to do is to contact your usual suspect, Gustavo Lopez, at 415-312-5017. Once again, 415-312-5017 for a showing of 854 Shotwell. Thank you for your attention and have an amazing day. Bye.